My name is Ed from Pre-Flight Drone. Yesterday at 7:10 p.m. at the intersection of US Highway 401 and the Hoke Loop Road, this two-car accident occurred. Looks like a white SUV and a black pickup truck. This particular intersection here, in my opinion, is one of the most dangerous intersections there is in the southwest section of Fayetteville, North Carolina. I have lived in this location for the past 30 years. I have seen numerous traffic accidents at this intersection. Although the intersection has had some upgrades, still you can almost count on it that every week there's going to be an accident at this intersection. Some of the accidents here are fatal. I've witnessed fatal accidents at this intersection. Overturned tractors and trailers. The way that the traffic engineers have this intersection designed. So when you get to the light here at this intersection, if you want to make a left turn across going west into the subdivision there, which would be Grassy Branch Road, you have to turn across the traffic that's traveling east. However, at this traffic light, doing some cycles, every other cycle, I put it this way, every other cycle, if you arrive at this light, they will give you a flashing yellow light, almost daring you to proceed to try to make that left turn across traffic that's traveling in speeds in excess of 60 miles an hour. If you're traveling east and you want to make that left turn across US Highway 401 traffic that's traveling west, the same thing. At one cycle, when you arrive, if the light is red, it'll start flashing yellow, daring you to make that left turn across oncoming traffic that's traveling in excess of 60 miles per hour. My thought is, traffic engineers, why not get rid of that yellow flashing light? I'm not saying that every accident that occurs at this intersection is due to people trying to make a left turn across oncoming traffic, but there are a lot of those accidents that do happen. I live in this subdivision here to the left, and I've had some close calls at this intersection because my vision may have gotten obscured for some reason, and I didn't notice the oncoming vehicle traveling at a very high speed. Why not get rid of that yellow flashing light? And the only way that you can turn across traffic at this intersection is on the green light. If the light is red, you stay there until it turns green, stopping the flow of the traffic that's traveling east and west, allowing you to make a safe turn across traffic either into Grassy Branch Road, which is the Farrington neighborhood, or make a left turn onto the Hoke Loop Road. How many more people will have to lose their life at this intersection or suffer major injuries due to the simple reason of just taking a chance trying to cross oncoming traffic at this intersection. What's it going to cost the city to reprogram these lights? It's costing people their lives. Is it worth the life to just reprogram this light to get rid of that yellow caution light telling you to go ahead and make that turn, take a chance? I don't think it's worth it. I don't see how any engineer, traffic engineer, could design an intersection or even program a light to function at an intersection this busy. This is a major artery here, traveling through this section of Fayetteville, North Carolina, U.S. Highway 401. There may be someone watching this video that lives in this area. If you agree with me or disagree with me, how about dropping me a note in the comments if you're watching this on YouTube? I want to know what you think about this intersection if you live in this area. I'm quite sure you've seen some of the accidents that have occurred. My name is Ed from Pre-Flight Drone. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll catch you on the next one, folks.